A warm welcome to my dear students and my dear friends. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the easy method for learning pharmacognosy in 1 month. The pharmacognosy subject, it is the common subject for diploma in pharmacy, bachelor of pharmacy, doctor of pharmacy and master of pharmacy. So it is the most important subject in our pharmacy field. If we are searching the syllabus in these four courses, all syllabus should be focused with the study of crude drugs. First of all, we have to collect the crude drugs from the syllabus. The list of crude drugs according to our syllabus. That is the first step. In second step, the images of all crude drugs should be collected in proper manner. First I told the list of crude drugs. No, we have to collect a list of crude drugs and the drugs should be read 3 times in a day. After that, the drugs should be observed in our practical laboratory or botanical garden, or we can go to any other agricultural university. We can directly observe the crude drugs. Helpful for learning the morphological characters of the crude drugs. The list of crude drugs should be categorized into 20 parts. For example, in our syllabus, carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, volatile oils, resins, tannins, alkaloids and glycosides. Likewise, the drugs should be listed up to 20 parts. So, why am I saying the 20 parts means within 30 days we have to learn all the drugs. So, 4 weeks in a month. So, per week 25 drugs we have to learn. First 5 drugs should be prepared according to this tabular column. For example, here I have prepared and I have explained one drug. The drug name is Margosa oil, that is neem oil. It is a fixed oil obtained from the seeds of Asadirachta indica. It is belonging to the Meliaceae family. The major phytoconstituents are nimbin, nimbicin, nimbidin, nimbidol, nimbosterol and azadirachtal. It is used as a natural pesticide, antiseptic. It has been used for the preparation of medicinal soaps and it has antifungal and antibacterial properties. Likewise, the drugs should be prepared in this manner. First of all, the standard textbooks should be collected from the library. So, the 5 drugs should be prepared in proper manner according to this tabular column wise. For the preparation of these 5 drugs, it will take nearly 20 minutes. Then, the remaining 10 minutes, we have to read the 5 drugs 5 times. So, it will take 30 minutes for learning. Then, next day, we have to move to next 5 drugs. At the same time, we have to revise the previous day 5 drugs and today's 5 drugs. Accordingly, if you are preparing, it will take nearly 1 week for the preparation of 25 drugs. I mean, within 5 days, we can able to finish the 25 drugs. Then, the remaining 2 days, I mean, Saturday and Sunday, we can revise the 25 drugs totally. After that, next week also, we have to prepare the drugs in the same manner. If you are preparing this, within the second week, we can study 50 drugs. We can able to study the biological source, family, phytochemistry and uses of all the drugs in 1 month. So 100 drugs will be completed now. The specialized drugs should be noted. For example, from glycosides category, digitalis, aloes, senna. In alkaloids category, opium, ravalfia, nux omega and ergot. Likewise, the important drugs should be noted and special care must be taken for the study of these drugs. End of each and every week, the group discussion should be done with the batch members. It will be helpful to enhance your memory. Description study or the morphological study. If the drugs are available in organized drug form, that is morphological characterization. If the drug will be available in unorganized form, it will be description. Okay, so it can be learned from the laboratory as well as from the botanical garden, because we can able to observe the color, we can smell the drug and we can taste them. It will be very easy for learning. I have mentioned the MOP and cultivation. So what is MOP? MOP, that is the method of preparation of drugs. So method of preparation, it will be very useful for the drugs containing oils, resins, latex, juices and other forms of drugs. So cultivation I have mentioned here. This cultivation, it will be very helpful for the drugs coming under organized form. For example, if you are studying the leaf, root, stem, rhizome, bark, stolon, in case of the drugs, the cultivation methods will be very useful. If you are forgetting the some difficult biological names, it should be noted and it should be specially revised 5 times in a day. The techniques involved in quick learning of crude drugs within 1 month. Once again, I shortly repeat here 10 points should be noted. First of all, the list of crude drugs should be prepared according to our syllabus. Second, the images of all crude drugs should be collected from the standard textbook. Drugs should be observed in our practical laboratory as well as in botanical garden. 5 drugs should be prepared in a day and it should be thoroughly studied, and 3 times the drugs should be revised. 5. Each and every day we are studying 5 drugs. At the same time, after completion of the study, we have to revise the previous day drugs. This step I have told about the specialized drugs. In that case, each and every topic, 2 or 3 drugs are most important. Those drugs should be noted and the information of the full details should be collected. Then 7th step, group discussion I had told. In that group discussion, in practical classes, the batch members should be discussed in proper manner. Description and storage, I told already. The macroscopical characters as well as the storage condition, I mean the common as well as specialized conditions should be noted in proper manner. Then method of preparation and cultivation also properly studied. If you are forgetting the drugs details, it should be remembered. These are the techniques involved in easy learning of pharmacognosy. Thank you very much.